At first glance, this looks like a tiny dried insect. But it's actually dried earwax. Many people don't realize earwax can dry into unusual shapes and colors. That's one reason hearing wellness tools with lights have become so popular. For simple visual checks. Fun fact, earwax is part of your ear's natural protection system. And no two pieces look exactly the same. What was your first guess, earwax or a bug? Let us know below. Have fun, and enjoy.